Hey, this is James. You know, it's true. Old habits are hard to break, especially if you're age 60 and above and you have not been eating healthy the last 30-something years. You and your body are in for some trouble, unless you make some healthy eating changes that make a difference. Today's video is Healthy Eating for Seniors, the 3 best healthy eating tips. But first, go ahead and click the subscribe and notification buttons below so that you may receive future videos from me about healthy eating. Being a senior, your body is going through changes compared to when you were younger. For instance, your body requires that you burn more calories. However, on the other side of the coin, your body demands more than ever that you take in extra nutrients. As a result, before this video is over, I'm going to walk you step by step through the Dietary Food Guidelines, 5 food groups for Americans. That way, as a senior, you're going to be able to make healthier decisions because I'm going to show you how to clearly tie together the relationships between fruits and vegetables, proteins, whole grains, and dairy products. By including each of the food groups in your daily eating patterns, you're going to be able to accomplish the first objective, which is to reduce the calories that you're burning. What's wonderful about that is that at the same time, you're going to be able to accomplish the second objective, which is to increase the number of nutrients that you take in on a daily basis. In particular, number 1, calcium, because during the senior years, it's so important to maintain bone strength and to reduce the loss of muscle mass. Number 2, potassium, and I mean a whole lot of potassium because it's going to be needed to help you maintain a healthy blood pressure level. And of course, number 3, dietary fiber. We tend to forget how much it helps us control weight control as well as reduce the negative effects of high blood cholesterol. Now, it's no big secret that during your senior years, swallowing can sometimes be an inconvenience, especially swallowing this much food. As a result, in this video, we're going to create a tasty smoothie that includes all 5 food groups, plus the 3 nutrients I just mentioned earlier. So when we talk about vegetables, we're talking about carrots, kale, and the yellow bell pepper. You're probably thinking like, yellow bell pepper? Why a yellow bell pepper? Well, first of all, it's nutritious, but I just happen to like the color of the yellow bell pepper. Sometimes it just comes down to it, what you just like. Fruits is one of the 5 dietary food groups. So, to meet your nutritional needs, this smoothie is going to include a banana, an apple, and an orange. And when it comes to protein, which helps you sustain energy throughout the day, we're going to add almonds. Whole grains is the 4th of the 5 dietary food groups. So we're going to power pack the smoothie with probably the most respected of all the whole grains, which is oatmeal. Now I understand that oatmeal is a universally beloved breakfast food, but I have problems with oatmeal because I have texture issues with it. However, hands down, oatmeal is nutritionally valuable, and in this case, I get the benefit because I'm able to integrate it into the smoothie. So, okay, I think we're there now. So let's go ahead and take the food and throw it into the cylinder, whip up the blender so that we can make the tangy smoothie. While that's going, let's go ahead and look at the results of blending these foods to meet the nutritional needs of seniors. We'll start by looking at the calorie count. It's recommended that senior women's daily intake be 1,600 calories. And when it comes to senior men, 2,000 calories. And the tangy smoothie comes in at 425 calories. That gives you a lot of room for additional meals, especially if you want to increase your protein intake. And in addition to all of that, these foods blended together allow you to check off that you added the nutrients, calcium, potassium, and dietary fiber. It's great that the tangy smoothie is nutritionally rich, so let's taste it. Here we go. You know, that was pretty good. However, it was a little bit too tangy orange tasting for me. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. I know that's going to increase the calorie count to about another 64 calories, but it will also tap down and balance out the citrusy taste. So let's see how it tastes now. Much better for me. If you're interested in a tangy smoothie, the recipe is below. And remember to click the subscribe and notification buttons below so that you may receive more videos from me about healthy eating. And you'll be helping me out and my channel out by clicking the like button also. Thank you for that. See you next time.